I just don't like it again, and I also not sure which way to go.
And we're in a vehicle that has windshield wipers.
I don't like this, guys. Maybe I need to turn back.
Yeah, it's pouring now. I'm able to go faster because I'm not freaking out about wiping my face and freezing to death.
This is seriously bad.
Howdy folks, and welcome to the Montezuma Challenge.
It's an off-road race, and this time it's Polaris versus Polaris. What are you spitting?
Mosquitoes, there's a freaking ton of them here.
All right, guys, we have a Ranger Northstar Ultimate Edition, and we have a General Factory Custom. Nathan, which Polaris do you want?
I want the one that is enclosed so I don't have to eat mosquitoes.
You want the Ranger?
I know it's not quite as fast, but still. Yeah, I've been eating mosquitoes for the past hour.
Do you know that this is a race, right?
Yes, I do, and I'll be more comfortable, hence I'll be better behind the wheel. You're gonna be uncomfortable. Andre has 20 more horsepower than I do. It's a little bit of a larger vehicle. He's got larger tires. We're going into storm country, and it's very possible we can see lightning, thunder, well, hear thunder, and rain. And we're in a vehicle that has windshield wipers. All right, the whole point of this is that we're going to meet at the top. Now, he is on a much more treacherous track than I am. It's going to be a little bit more technical and a little harder. This is a little bit easier, even though it's a little bouncy. So we're gonna meet at the top and see which one gets there first.
All right, so the going is getting a little bit tougher. I have a water crossing right up ahead, so I'm gonna switch to four-wheel drive. I was using high. I can also have a kind of a low gear right here, but I don't need low quite yet. By the way, this is St. John's Trail, and Nathan is taking a deer trail, and we're gonna meet at the top, almost the same distance. I know I'm gonna win. Guys, it's starting to rain. I'm beginning to second guess my choice, but I made a good choice.
Yeah, it's pouring now. My windshield wiper is doing a lovely job keeping the rain and yuck out of my face. I'm able to go faster because I'm not freaking out about wiping my face and freezing to death.
And here's the reason why Nathan chose the wrong machine. This General 1000 XP has more horsepower, about 20 more horsepower. It has bigger tires, better shocks, Walker Evans. Yeah, it has all the kit to make this very, very fast and comfortable. Of course, we have to be courteous during the race. There's other people. Thank you. I have to let by, so. Forerunner, yeah! I just got hung up. I just burned my tire, I think.
Wow,
I'm hoping that was my tire that was just smoking and not my transmission or my engine. just some miserable faces. And I think those are the same faces that Andre and Chris have.
I believe that we are doing very well, even going through traffic, considering I'm not wet. In fact, I don't even need my goggles. Who needs them? I'm inside a protected cocoon of love.
Now we're above tree line. Look at this. 11,742 feet above sea level. Tree line. This is timber line. So now it's getting a little bit bumpier, but I still can keep going. Alright, I just saw lightning again, and I also not sure which way to go. There's a fork here. I believe I go to the left to meet Nathan. There's thunder! I need to launch my Onyx off-road maps. My gosh, I don't like this, guys. Maybe I need to turn back.
The only way I know how to do things is pretty much flat out. That's just what I do. This vehicle is pretty much maxed out as often as I can do. If I can speak English. The thing is, whenever there's rocks or a dip or whatever, I do have to ease up a little bit. This just doesn't have the suspension of its brothers to really absorb it. We've been feeling some heavy jerks. Still, it can handle it. It's tough. And more importantly, it's pretty damn quick. So I switched into four-wheel drive. Rear drive was working just fine, but I've been slipping a lot, especially in spots where I've had to stop and let traffic pass. So I just figured let's go for four-wheel drive. It doesn't seem to be slowing this down much, so there's not a lot of drag that I can perceive. But I think control will be a little bit better.
So, up the mountain, water and lightning, what could go wrong, right?
I am glad I'm in an insulated capsule, although there is water coming in down at my feet. A lot of it. Oh, that's not the top. This is... Where are they?
Nathan, I see you!
Wait, so you guys are below us?
Towards your 1 o'clock. Look at your 1 o'clock.
We got you.
Nathan, remember when I almost got hit by lightning in Idaho?
Yes, I remember when you almost got hit by lightning in Idaho.
Well, I don't want to repeat that right now. I'm on a higher ground and the storm is approaching.
We just went through it. I don't know if you got a hailstorm, but we got a full-on storm that we went through.
Yeah, you know what? I went through it, but we are freezing. We're wet, hailed on, and cold.
I still have my air conditioning on, by the way, and my windshield wipers work being a treat, so I'm pretty happy.
Okay, I guess I'm coming towards you. I can see clearly now the raging crowd. Nathan, can I get the heater? This is seriously bad.
Andrew, you want to come in and get warm? I just turned the heater on. I went from my air conditioner to my heater, and you can get out of the rain for a little bit. Come on in, warm up. Don't get my seat too wet. Yep, there you go. Close that. And warm up.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So Nathan, I picked a really fast machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, very fast.
I'm sure it's really quick.
Very fast. My shocks are amazing.
I bet your suspension's awesome.
My tires are amazing and bigger than yours.
Yeah, they are bigger than mine. Your whole chassis is better than mine.
I have better articulation.
I'm sure you do.
Yes, but I almost got hit by lightning again. I got scared. I stopped. I got wet and cold. So I concede to you.
All right, fair enough. And guys, you should know that both of our cameramen suffered significantly during this shoot, especially Case.
Yeah.
Nice going,
A little bit.
Nice going. Well done.
Dude, he's got some guns.
Oh, well, of course he does. He's half frozen. There's no more fat on him. It's all falling off. Poor kid. We should probably let him ride back in this so he doesn't catch pneumonia.
Might make sense.
Yeah, are you okay to drive yours?
Yeah, I am okay, but I'm wondering which way the storm is moving because I don't want to be in lightning again.
Well, we went through it heading that way. I think it might be easier heading down south the way we came.
Might be, because this is kind of bumpier and steeper and nastier.